Pagdiriwang na ika-26 na anibersaryo ng Maritime Group ay ang paglulungsad ng PNP Maritime Dragon Boat Bato. Ang boat parang nirarambulan niyo, ang boat ginawang bato. The same word, the same letters boat bato. Boat bato. So ang BOAT ginawang BATO. Boat bato. And I joined the Maritime Group in extending the PNP's deep gratitude and appreciation to our partners from Smart Communications Incorporated, represented here today by Mr. Ramon Isberto, Group Head of Public Affairs Department, for continuing to strongly support the PNP in promoting the protection of maritime environment. With Dragon Boat Bato, we are promoting the Daloy 3456 project. Ang daling i-memorize, ano? 3456. Ang madaling maalala. One of the Maritime Group's best practices, which is a public reporting system where anyone can report violations of coastal laws to this group by sending text messages to Daloy 3456. Malaking tulong po ito sa ating mga kababayan at bahagi rin ito ng ating adhikaing paigtingin lalo ang mga programa laban sa krimen sa lahat ng dako ng ating bansa. It is important that we keep our coastal areas safe and strongly protected at all times to prevent undue or illegal incursions in our territorial waters and preserve our maritime environment. With this launching, we enjoin all stakeholders, including our fellow public servants and Maritime Group force multipliers, to help us promote this project. We must realize that protecting the maritime environment is everybody's responsibility. The PNP cannot do it alone. The Coast Guard cannot do it alone. We must work together, support each other, and cooperate strongly with each other to ensure that our coastal areas and territorial waters are free from criminal elements. With the Daloy 3456 now strengthened and given more life, our citizens are now made more aware of their responsibilities and will be more inspired to give their share in this effort. Maraming nagagawa at naitutulong ang technology at ang social media sa buhay ng mamamayan. Kaya lubos ang pasasalamat natin sa Smart Communications sa pagkakataong binibigay nila sa kapulisan upang gamitin ang mobile technology sa pamamagitan ng Daloy 3456. To the members of the PNP Maritime Group, continue with the good work. With the turn of events the past weeks, we have shifted our priorities and are now focused on internal cleansing. This does not mean, however, that we have less to do following the suspension of Project Double Barrel Alpha and Uplan Tukhang. On the contrary, we have shifted our attention to an equally challenging job, that is to purge our organization of all misfits and scalawags. As Chief PNP, I expect your support to this endeavor. Pagtulungan nating linisin ang sarili nating bakuran. And we can do that by starting from within ourselves. Just recently, I declared that I myself was into some soul searching following the unfortunate developments in the police service. I hope that you will find it in your hearts too, to do the same if you truly love the service. When the President assumed his post in June of last year, he immediately called for change in the country, especially in the PNP and other agencies of government. Pagkakataon na nating isulong ang pagbabagong ito. To the scalawags who have no intentions of changing their ways, you would do better to step out of the service. And to those of you who remain true to the police ideals that we have vowed to uphold, at alam kong mas marami tayo. Then, stay and help me clean the organization. For now, let us celebrate this happy occasion and together with our thumbs up sign for the friendly boat race that is now about to start between Smart Communications and the PNP Dragon Boat teams. I don't know kung paano lang gawin ito. Isa lang ata yung meron ba? Meron isa, no? Meron pala. Maganda panoorin ito. Good luck to you. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you very much, Sir Police Director General Ronald M. De La Rosa. We shall proceed to the presentation of plaque and token to our guest of honor and speaker, Police Director General Ronald M. De La Rosa, Chief PNP. And to present the plaque is Police Chief Superintendent Edmond A. Gonzalez, to be assisted by the Ecofish and also the SMART.
Plaque of appreciation is hereby presented to Police Director General Ronald Bato M. De La Rosa, Chief Philippine National Police, in grateful appreciation of his invaluable contribution and support as guest of honor and speaker during the launching and blessing of PNP MG Dragon Boat Bato, #Daloy3456, held on February 15, 2017 at CCP Complex, Rojas Boulevard, Pasay City, given this 15th day of February 2017 at CCP Complex, Rojas Boulevard, Pasay City. Signed, Police Chief Superintendent Edmond A. Gonzalez, Director, Maritime Group. Also, a token for the guest of honor speaker to be presented by Smart Communications, the paddle, the personalized paddle exclusive for our Chief PNP.
Thumbs up. Very good. Ito na siya, Giuseppe.
Mababa ng konti. Mababa. Low set po, sir. Sir, video po. Sir, dalawa kayo shake hands. Ang dami. Okay, good. Thank you.
We love you, sir. We love you. Love you. Happy Valentine.
Thank you very much, sir. And that's our launching and blessing. And we shall have a picture taking before we proceed to the race proper. Sir, picture taking mo. After dito po, sir, doon po tayo sa sa Dragon Boat.
Would like to request the President of PCPF.
Yan.
Ma'am?
And now, sir, please proceed to the Dragon Boat area for the picture taking.
Nasa yung mga action natin? Action sila.
And after the picture taking, looking at the Dragon Boat teams.
Ano next?
After that, the CPNP, the VIP, and the Smart Dragon Boat team. For the picture taking.
Smart.
Smart Dragon Boat team.
Okay, yung next is the Smart Dragon team. Doon kayo sa likod niya. Likod. Yan.
Hello. Hello, my name is Chifu.
One, two, three.
Sir, sa kami din.
After the Smart Dragon Boat team, the PNP Maritime Group Dragon Boat team.
Okay, pinarinig sa camera, ulit pa.
SDB!
Okay, next the PNP Maritime Group Dragon Boat team.
Dito, sir. Sorry. Wait lang. Dito.
Dito naman. Sir, konting kembot. Sir, sandali lang siya, isa pa sir. Sir, konting kembot lang siya. Puro na konti. Okay na na. Isa pa. Kasi nakita si Pogi. Sir, pirma pa? Okay. Pirma pa? Kung talaga? Sige, sir, dito na sir. Doon naman sir, doon daw.
Next is the PNP Maritime Group Dragon Boat team. Smart Dragon Boat team finding boat